This is the 2020 Gatormade Elite Series, which comes equipped with a front toolbox battery box. Got the step-up bumper for easy access to the flatbed. Has the equipped with the Gator Tough anti-flex system. Also, the Bigfoot hydraulic landing gear, which is a nice option. You've got your D hooks, your light bar. In the front storage box, you've got your cord that operates your landing gear from the bed of your truck for easy hookup. Got your switch for the light right there. This is a 35+5 with the mega ramps. Got your battery box and your air pump system here in front of the tandems. You've got your air ride. This is the Gator Tough big ramps. Nice springs there, help them raise and lower them. In case you're hauling a tractor on the tail or something, you need the extra height. Anyhow, there you have it. Gator Tough. Give me a call with any questions.